Welcome to the TWA Hotel. The TWA Hotel is located at John F. Kennedy International Airport in Queens, New York City. It opened on May 15th, 2019 and utilizes the head house of the TWA Flight Center, designed in 1962. Welcome to the TWA Hotel. We are here for Sherry's birthday.
Woohoo!
Over there on the sofa, that's Maria's sister.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, look Oh, it's so cool. Thanks, girl. You're welcome.
Happy birthday.
It's red velvet. Ooh! Very retro, it's very cool. We have a runway view to the airport right here, and we can see the planes taking off and landing, and it's really cool. And it's very soundproof. There is no, I can't hear anything. They brought us in a mini fridge because we asked if we could get a mini fridge, and they literally just brought this up to the room for us, so thank you. That was awesome. There's a tiny desk over here with a rotary phone, if you remember what those are. Area for our coats. Looks like there's some storage underneath here. One little drawer here, and I guess another here. Oh, nope, that one's closed. I think that was for this mini bar that is not in service right now, but that's okay because we bought our own drinks. But there's a cute little mini bar here, and there were glasses hanging above when we got here that we took down to use. But this is really cute.
The baño.
And then the bathroom. TWA.
TWA, shampoo, conditioner,
Yeah.
and the throne. Above the beds are some retro posters, advertisements for TWA, magic windows.
Magic. Thanks for leaving up for now. The sun's.
Yeah, the sun's gone now.
We have a store over here.
There you go.
We got a pin for the wings for my nephew.
There's John Travolta.
Obviously wasn't ready.
Oh yeah, the better ones.
Photo op.
Ready?
Free things.
We are here in December, so happy holidays. They're playing like 60s Christmas music in the lobby. Over here is what they call the food hall. Bunch of different grab and go options. Delivering presents. Oh, there's something in it. Luggage. TWA. Sherry, you got our luggage?
I got it. Mostly.
I took 2. Check out these payphones. Only 10 cents to call somebody? I think people would have get to the bar. That was awesome. That alone is worth this trip. Rescued the gator.
Rescued the gator.
We are on the rooftop of the TWA Hotel, and their pool is heated. Here we go, going in. It's actually quite cold out, but the water, oh man, the water feels great. Oh yeah. 90 degrees?
95.
95?
Yeah.
Oh, that, oh. Yeah, we're not leaving it.
Look at the steam coming off the pool. Yeah. Happy birthday!
We got the JetBlue terminal right behind us.
Plane coming in right now.
They got the control tower back there. Oh, look at this.
It's like a waterfall going over the side.
Over here.
Listen, you're back. It's really cold, really cold.
Yeah, it's like,
I don't know if you can see it, but there's a plane coming in there.
The day.
There. This is December 4th.
exhilarating, actually. It's nice.
It is exhilarating. It's
Yeah.
actually,
Yeah.
this is pretty cool, actually. Yeah, I like it. So far, my favorite parts are the Connie, the plane lounge,
And this,
and this is really cool. We're staying in the Hughes wing, which has access to this rooftop.
yeah.
The other wing does not. You have to come over to the Hughes wing and go up to the roof.
Yeah.
And we pointed out there's a bar over here.
Yes, the bar where Mom is at right now.
Right. My mother-in-law is right there taking a photo of us. You see the steam coming off my body? It's cold. The worst part about this is getting out.
What's it called?
An Airbus.
A what?
A380.
A380 Airbus.
Green one, there's a gold one, there's a blue one, and there's also a rainbow one.
And it holds 850 people.
Amazing.
That's from Dubai.
Good morning from the TWA Hotel.
Good morning.
Morning.
Christmas Grogu sweater from Target, $30.
Pork sweater, yay! Winter pork sweater.
We didn't get to look at any of the standard rooms. I'm sure there's just smaller versions of this one. This is the suite again, roughly $600 plus. 3 of us. You could definitely fit 4. If you have a smaller person, maybe 5. Someone could sleep on the sofa over there. It's not a pull-out sofa, just so you know. You got a table. We asked for a refrigerator. They brought the refrigerator up for us, so you can store food or beverages. Yeah, it's worth it.
Yeah.
We actually we're talking about coming back already. So
If you live in this area, obviously this should be an easy trip for you to get here by car, by train.
yeah, we live on Long Island, so we took the Long Island Railroad to the air train at Jamaica, and then over to JFK to Terminal 5, and then you'll find the signs for TWA Hotel.
Yes.
Things are a little bit pricier here, so plan on that. They do not accept cash at this time, so bring a
we
card.
realized that yesterday.
But
So,
all in
bring
all,
your
it
cards.
was a great time.
We'll see you real soon, and may the Geekendz be with you.